Um, so, we're at a park, something like Batchwana Bay, and yeah, we have a picnic table. Yeah, time to start pushing my bike through snow. Uh, yeah. So it is like a tiny bit scary because I'm pretty soaked, and this is like the most remote I've been anywhere. Like my most kind of remote night, you could say. But yeah, I think I'll figure it out. Just need to stay warm. I mean, it's not that hard. It's just kind of like staying warm, but also cooking and getting ready for tomorrow, you know. It's a little bit tougher. But yeah, I think it'll be good. Whoa. Bunch of snow just fell. Oh, there's a car. That's interesting. Yeah, so someone was just looking to try to get down to there's like a bay over there. Yeah, get down to that, but I don't know. There's cameras here too. It's fun. But yeah, I was saying I need to make a good decision, I think. Because I have some base layers, which are merino wool. And I don't know how dry they are. And I don't know how like magical they are. Like, will they just dry magically? Or do they just are better at not getting wet? Yeah, I don't know. So, like, what I would normally do is I would put on a layer in between these two layers that I have, and same with the pants. I'd put a layer on in between. But, like, you know, if the bottom layer is soaked and the top layer is soaked, I mean, I have to wear the top layer, I think, because it's like the jacket, especially because it's kind of a warm jacket and I need to stay warm while I cook. So I don't know. I think this is pretty dry. I think it's hard to tell. I think it's dry enough. Okay. Yeah, so I'll put a jacket in between on. Yeah, but the outer layer is kind of wet. Kind of soaked. But like right here, I don't know if you can see, this part is dryish, but this is wet. I don't know. Maybe I'll just put the other jacket on first and see how that feels. Okay, well, I feel pretty warm. I guess really that's not that hard at 0 degrees. So hopefully I keep feeling warm as I'm making food and all that and eating. So I'm making the curry, right? Let's take this off. I'm making the curry. But after I'm done making the curry and I'm just eating it, the plan is to turn some snow into water. So we have the second pot filled with snow, a little bit of water in the bottom. and in theory I should be able to get some water. So I think, I don't know, I think as long as I bring it to a boil it should be fine, but yeah, who knows. Hopefully it'll be good. I think the curry turned out really nicely today. Look at that. So I did lots of stirring. It's like really consistent. There's no lentils still, you know, hard and stuff. And I think maybe possibly I didn't burn the bottom, which is really hard to do. Yeah, but yeah, I have some water cooking. Okay, so a few things could go wrong here. We're pouring boiling water into a plastic bottle. Then, I don't know. Is it clean? Is it safe to drink? I don't know. But will this fall over? Okay. Cool, we got a little bit of water. I should have left a little bit though, so that I could scoop some more snow out. Oh, we got another light here, eh? That's nice. Okay, maybe let's just keep scooping from the same area, which was where? This is where I've been scooping. Okay, I should really get the bowl. Anyways, I'll scoop more snow. We'll see how that goes. Hello. So I got up at 6 a.m. Here's what everything looks like. And yeah, I have 90K to do today if I want to get to Wawa. So yeah, that's why I'm just trying to get up and be on the road by well, by 8 for sure. Since yeah, yeah, just to have time to get to Wawa. And not earlier because it's dark earlier. So yeah, that's where we are. I looked up, you could drink melted snow if you boil it for a minute, which I think I did. So we're gonna try doing that today. Hopefully I don't get sick. Yeah, so I just had my my breakfast, and yeah, I have this much water left that I know is like good, and then I have a full bottle that's snow water. So I think I'm just gonna try drinking like a little bit of this, cause I don't know. I did brush my teeth with it. Like I washed my toothbrush. I don't know. I could be crazy, but I kind of felt funny. Yeah, it also smells funny. So I don't know. I'll try a little bit. And then see how I am, obviously. Yeah, hopefully I just don't have like diarrhea all day, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes pretty funny. Yeah. It tastes like soil in the ground, you know? Yeah. Kind of nice actually. But I don't know. Maybe I made tea from the pine leaves. Okay, we'll see how I am.